Found a little woodpecker in this tree. That one has a big beak. I think it's a hairy woodpecker. It's hard to tell the difference between a downy woodpecker and a hairy woodpecker. The hairy just has a much larger beak. There's two northern flickers on this dark, rainy morning. See some round puffball mushrooms popping up. There's another one. It's a little slick here because it's been raining. There's another one. There's another one down here. This is a little bigger. Here's some more. This one's right next to the road. See some more popping up. There's the one I got a picture of last week. And then there's some more down below it. Pretty sure those were edible, but I'm not going to eat them. I'm walking towards Krupp's Point. This is the story of Heinrich Krupp, if you want to read it. This has probably been here since 1889. It amazes me how much immigrants can accomplish in such a short period of time. He died at age 59. I'm taking my hike through the woods now. It's not raining. I'm going to take advantage of that. It's very humid though. I see a big mushroom on the side of that tree down there. Just a closer look at it. It almost looks like a lion mane mushroom. I think it is. Mushrooms pop up everywhere and they come in every size, shape, and color. And some more that popped up over here. There's a bunch of deer down there. I hear them snorting. I see them in the distance. There they are running off over there. There's one there in a dark area. There's another one behind her. There's probably more. I heard a lot of snorting a while ago. Oh, there's 3 of them that I can see now. They're probably going to take off running here in a minute. I don't see any antlers. I'm pretty sure that's a doe. They're probably all does. There's 2 of them right there. They're starting to run off now. I'm not going to follow them. I'm going to try to get to my car before it starts pouring down rain. I haven't taken this way for a long time. I know the deer passed through here. Those deer I just saw probably passed through here this morning. They're going in the opposite direction. There's one running off down there. That deer was running pretty fast. I probably won't see it again. But that's not going to keep me from trying to find it. This is where it ran off down this hill. Now, which way did it go? If it went down in that direction, I know I'll never find it. Or it could have run off in this direction. It's over in that area, and I'm not going to hike through all that. I found a deer trail. Follow it for a while. Might get lucky. See some mushrooms at the side of this trail. That's a pretty neat looking mushroom. There's two more over here. I think it's getting ready to rain. It keeps getting darker and darker. I'm on my way to my car. And I see deer up there. Those little rascals keep running away from me. That didn't look like a little one. That looked like the big one. It has a lot of places to hide in this area. I just saw it run off way up there. If it's the same one, but I think it was. It's hard to follow deer when it's this dark, because I have trouble seeing them in the distance. I hear thunder now. If I get back to my car before it starts raining hard, I'll be pretty lucky. I hear the rain hitting the leaves now. It's not raining hard yet. This is the trail I always take back to my car. See, there's a huge tree down. Well, not huge, but I can step over it. I'm on my way to my car. Uh-oh, it's going to start raining harder now. I hear the rain hitting the leaves pretty hard. Can you hear it? Dark, I lost the trail. But that's alright, I know where I am. Maybe I'll see some deer in this area. It's raining hard now. I hear some distant thunder. Found the trail, or what's left of it. You can see this trail is in pretty bad shape. Trees down everywhere. It's raining really hard now. Isn't this a beautiful trail? There went a squirrel up that tree. Isn't that beautiful? This is a large tree that fell across the trail. See some fresh mushrooms on it. Now I need to go down here and find the trail. I'm back on the trail. It's easy hiking from here to my car. It's easy hiking through a bunch of downed trees. I'm pretty close to my car now. I was hoping to beat the thunderstorm, but it started earlier than I thought it would. I'm taking what I call my shortcut to my car. Starting to see some lightning now. I'm very close to my car. See Rundle Road down there. Time to go home. I'm parked at the golf course parking lot. And there's my car.